Here's another C8 Corvette that we just got finished working on. We used the Stek carbon fiber PPF and did the roof. This is a convertible C8 Corvette, and he came by and saw one of our vehicles with this material on it and said, "Hey man, can you do my roof?" And we said, "Sure." Well, he came in, he was just gonna do the front part of the roof today, and then asked if we could do the back part too, which definitely finishes it off. But it's pretty sexy because you can get a real carbon roof on the hard tops on the Targa, but not on a convertible. So this is like the closest thing to real carbon fiber out there in a film, and it looks really, I mean, the depth that's in it, the sheen, I mean, look at that. I mean, that looks like carbon fiber. If anything does, I mean, a lot of films out there, but nothing that looks that good. I'm Bruce with Dedona Tint and Sound. If you have any questions on the Stek PPF, we have Damascus, gloss black, and the carbon fiber. Give us a shout at 336-851-1300. You can text us at that number, and you can also check us out at Dedona.com.